friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to make text drop with shadow in Canva. As you can see right now I am into Canva and here we have a blank template, right? And now we are going to add a background in this. So we are going to elements and search for background. Okay, and here from the photos I'm going to add a background to it. Okay, let me choose another background, right? For example, I have chosen this. No, I'm going to choose another one. Okay, for example, I have chosen this, and now I'm going to click on triple dot, set image as background, and here we are going to the text in the left side toolbar and add a heading. Okay, now we are going to type D. We are going to change the color of this text to white. Okay, done. Now what we are going to do is we are going to add an effect on this text. So I have clicked on effect and now we are going to click on drop. Okay, and now we are just going to change the direction of the drop as per our convenience, right? We can also add offset in the right side. Okay, if you want to increase or decrease the transparency, you can simply do it in this manner, right? Now what you need to do is you just need to select this particular D or text, right, and press Alt key in your keyboard and then simply drag your finger or mouse right in the right side, and as you can see it has been duplicated. Okay, now what I am going to do is I am just going to type I. Okay, and we are just going to add this I over the D, and now we are going to click on triple dot and layer and then send backward. Okay, it's done. Again press Alt and move your cursor over the right side, G. Okay, now again let us send this G to backward. So I've clicked on triple dot and then layer, send backward, and again T in the similar way, layer, send backward, again layer, Alt, and this one A, and again we are going to send it back, layer, send backward. Okay, we forgot to add I between this, no issues, layer, send backward, layer, send backward. Okay, T, A, and then again Alt, and this one L, and again triple dot, click on layer, send backward, again layer, and then okay, it's done. So this is how you can add a text drop with shadow in Canva. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel right now.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.